this field, and she will be also giving us some demonstrations and she will be answering our questions. First of all, welcome and thank you for inviting us, Shailaja ji.
Thank you so much, Sachin ji, and welcome to my Healing Therapy Center.
Thank you. So, Shailaja ji is an expert and doing this from a long time, but we will learn about that from herself. So, Shailaja ji, please introduce yourself to our audience and tell us about your services and your therapy to us.
Hi everyone, I am Shailaja Sri and I'm a sound healing therapist. I've been doing it for the past 3 years now. So this is all about the healing therapy to ensure that it gives you deep relaxation, brings you out of anxiety and sleep disorders, because it will address you at the mind, body and soul level. So welcome to my healing.
Yes, watch till the end and there will be a lot of new things that you will learn from Shailaja ji. So Shailaja ji, I would like to introduce about DigiSamvad. So DigiSamvad HR Services, as you know, we are a BNI Emperors chapter members. BNI Emperors Zindabad, first of all. Through our chapter members, what I try to do is I try to showcase the members and their business on our business podcast, and we try to share the experience or the business and how they have gone up to this or how they have started this business. So we want to know more about that, and there are many things that I want to ask you. So I'll be asking you a few questions. Please help us with your answers. So let's start. So my first question, Shailaja ji, is what is sound healing? Everybody will be actually interested in this question. So what is sound healing and why is it gaining popularity for stress relief?
Yeah. So broadly, to give you an idea, sound healing is all about the vibration, energy and kind of music. It will calm down at the mind, body and soul level.
Okay.
So what happens is there is some non-alignment of energies in our body. So sound will help us to bring back and make it better, and
Okay.
it will harmonize that. So this is all about the energy. If we get in depth, you will understand that most of it is all about energy and aligning all our chakras. So why is it gaining importance is in the sense, medically, if take a pill or you go for any other relief, it is temporary. But this is something which will get to the subconscious level, and it will give you deep relaxation, wherein you will go to that alpha zone.
Okay.
And then it is completely that you have that calmness and relaxation, and you'll have more clarity. Now that it is all cleansed, you'll remove all the blockages. The clarity is much in you, and then you will be able to get the solutions about whatever you're facing and whatever patterns you have, and you yourself will be having those
Okay.
solutions. Yeah. So to answer the question, why is it gaining popularity? So we cannot get into medicines for every small issue, right? Stress is something which has to be addressed at a root level, at a cellular level.
Okay.
And we do many things for our body, in the sense that we take care of the diet, we exercise, we do so much for our body.
Yes.
And we hardly know what do we have to do for the brain. People say that you'll have to meditate, but how many people really understand how to meditate, and how many people can really give that time?
Right.
It is very difficult. But in sound healing, effortlessly you can get into that meditative state, and it will ensure that you will go into that deep zone of relaxation.
Okay.
So that is very much needed. This is the need of the hour, because you have anxiety everywhere all around. So that's when it is gaining popularity, because it doesn't have any side effect and you are not using any medicine.
Yeah, actually means what you're trying to say, means what I'm understanding is, if I'm feeling pain, I will eat a painkiller tablet, it will vanish for few
Yes.
days, few hours. But to find out the root cause and to cure it at the subconscious level, you need such kind of therapies.
Yes.
So sound therapy helps you into going into that deep state and then cleansing it and removing that blockages. That is
Yes.
what you're trying to say.
Yes, definitely. It will go to the root cause. It is just not at the surface level wherein you take a pill and temporarily that it is taken care of. We understand as to why are we getting that pain and why is it coming again, and
Okay.
understand that and try to do whatever is needed. So all that is needed is calming your mind, because
Yes.
the self-healing mechanism will start on your body when you calm down, and it is not that easy to calm down the brain.
Yes.
And we can do it only through sound healing.
In today's hectic world, even meditating is not so easy.
Not so.
And you need to have a lot of practice to become a good meditation expert.
Yes.
But this way, it is like a hack into directly going into a deep meditative state.
Yeah, and it
That
is
is
effortless. You need not do anything. You just need to lay down, and I'll be taking care of how to take you to that deep meditative zone where
Okay.
maybe years of meditation you do. Then you will get into that zone. Here we can do it just within minutes. You will go
So
into that.
just to tell more about this therapy, what Shailaja ji does is, this is a bed. This is her clinic where she does this therapy, where we have to lie down and there are different bowls and instruments that we will learn about it in the next question. But these are the instruments which make vibrations and sounds which help us go into a deeper meditative state.
Yes.
Great, thanks for that information, Shailaja ji. So next question is, how can sound healing help professionals dealing with stress or burnout?
Yeah, so for professionals, that has become, something which they cannot, run away from. Stress is part of everybody's life nowadays, and for professionals, they have to face it. So it is like, the fight or flight mode is what they have. Either they'll face it or they'll run away from that.
Right.
But it is there in every day. So what we can do is, we will first take them to that deep relaxation. So if I can show you the singing bowl, the kind of vibration or the frequency it has.
Can you do it again? And if I'm touching the bowl, then I'll get the vibration also.
Yes.
And the sound is also.
Yes. So this is the kind of a vibration which will get into the body at a cellular level. So what we will do is, we will ensure that, there are so many bowls around your head and on your chest also. I'll place the heart chakra bowl, and when we play this, all the blocks will be removed from different areas wherever the blocks are there, and then they'll come out of that. The anxiety, the stress, the cause for all that is they're not able to handle things because of low energy levels or whatever the issues they have, or they have fear inside. That is the main cause.
Okay.
So when you do all this, all these the stress and all will be released out of your body. And so this is something called Swar Tarang. So these are the different types of instruments which are used when we do the therapy for a particular person. So they'll be completely in a deep relaxation zone where they'll not be in that fear or anxiety, and then once they wake up, they'll have clarity as to, okay, why am I getting this problem again and again, what is the pattern, and they'll become more resilient. Now that they understand, I have no other choice, I will definitely have stress in my life. The situation will be the same, but the way they handle definitely will change, and they'll become more resilient to issues, and that will increase the confidence, the health, and in every aspect of life they'll have clarity, they'll have a better planning and execution. That gives a solution to the profession.
For a stress-free thought process, you need to remove the blockages, and such therapies help you clear your mind and give you a clear thought process.
Yeah.
That is how this process will help.
Yes.
That is how the corporates and employees will be able to relieve from stress and lead a happier life.
Because releasing the stress is not that easy.
Okay.
And in this process, we will ensure that all the negative energies are released, and we will ensure to put in the positive thoughts instead of all that in that empty space. So they will come out with that positivity when the therapy is done.
Great. After listening to this, even I am going to do a session with Shailaja ji now. Anyways, so how do you use sound to balance chakras and support emotional healings?
Yeah, so we have to understand a bit about chakras. So we have 7 chakras in our body, starting from the crown chakra, third eye chakra, which is there in the middle of your eyebrows, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, sacral chakra, and the root chakra. So these chakras, for a layman to understand, are like transformers. So we have transformers in our state, and you will have the electricity from those transformers pass through every house.
They moderate or they moderate the supply.
Yes, so they are like powerhouses, right? So they store the power and then they give. So we have different meridians around our body, and these powerhouses will give the energy to all the body parts, so that different body parts, so that they can perform in a particular way. So if these powerhouses are not energetic, or there are some blocks in these chakras, you will not be getting those results. You will not be at your highest potential. You will feel that I will be getting this, but in the last minute you will lose it. You will not understand why are these not, these opportunities are for me, but in the last minute why am I missing those? Why is this happening? Because there are blockages in your chakras. It is coming very near to you, but because of that blockage, it is not able to enter you. So it is very important. As I said, these are different chakras. This is third eye chakra, this is throat chakra, this is heart chakra. So we'll keep these bowls near the chakras, and when we play this certain music, as I mentioned, so
there is a sound coming a little less louder than the previous one, but this is a different kind of a ball for a particular kind of a healing.
Yes, chakra has a different bowl, and wherein we ensure the blockages are cleared from the chakras, and there is free flow of cosmic energy from the bottom, and the kundalini energy from the top cosmic energy, and from the bottom Kundalini energy, so that there's a free flow of energy and it is all in a circulatory manner, and all the chakras should be aligned. Only then the energy will be received to different parts of the body. So it is very important to cleanse our aura and chakra on a daily basis, so that you attract abundance and you manifest your goals faster.
Okay. So Shailaja ji, thank you for that information. Next question is, can sound therapy help with anxiety and sleep issues, and how does it help?
Definitely it can help, because as I said, stress is all about, again coming back to the energy levels. Every one of us have only 24 hours in a day, but if you have the right energy level, you will be able to finish off your work and get into other work also. But if your energy level is low, you will not be able to do the task which you are supposed to, and when you look back, it is like, you will be procrastinating, you are not able to do, because of which you will have that negative self-talk inside.
Right.
This is the reason for the stress, and the anxiety also comes from such feelings. Why am I not able to do? What's wrong with me? So slowly this will develop a fear in you, and you will not have any confidence, and this will build up on that. So it is very difficult to release such energy. So that is the important reason wherein you will have to come out of that anxiety, and slowly what happens is you will not have any control on your thought process, and because of which you will not be able to sleep. And though you are able to sleep, subconsciously you will still have those thoughts running. Maybe I can give an example. You will have some thought in the night, you will sleep, and as in when you wake up, you will just get that thought. Meaning what? It is running in you subconsciously and you're not aware of it, and you have no clue how to stop that thought.
Okay.
So what do we do for that? That is insomnia, right? People are not able to sleep, they're not able to stop. It's not in our control. The mind, which is the main CPU, if you have to understand a technical way, that's the main thing. That is the system which is running our body. So we have to take care of that. And what are we doing to take care of our mind? So here is where you will definitely get into the deep relaxation zone, and also we can reach out to the subconscious level, and that is the deep zone, the alpha zone which I'm talking about, which is a minute before you sleep in the night. So you will get into that zone very soon, and you can address that, and this will definitely help into the sleep disorders, anxiety, insomnia.
Okay.
They'll have deep relaxation, and that's a counseling. Actually, it doesn't happen just as a magic in one session.
Right.
They'll have to take few sessions, and also counseling for some time to understand as to what is happening and why are they having that pattern, and they're not able to come out of it.
Okay.
They should understand what kind of impact it has on their brain and body, and also in fact to their families when it is extending. When they understand the root cause of all that, they'll be able to address that, and then they'll come out of it. So it not only just needs the sound healing therapy, it also needs a bit of counseling, and then they'll be able to.
Okay. So not just the instruments or sound techniques, you also do one-on-one counseling.
Yes.
To understand and talk to the people, and then give them guidance and counseling, and then that is a process that you follow.
Yes. At a physical level or a mental level, it definitely they need to understand the root cause of why is that problem coming to them, and what do we need to do to address the root cause, not just the problem at a surface level.
So it is a holistic approach where
Yes.
you can say.
Yeah.
So Shailaja ji, next question is, what is frequency therapy, and how does it affect mind and body?
So frequency therapy, as I was mentioning, the alpha zone, which is a very less time, maybe a minute or two during the night before you drift into sleep, or early in the morning when you wake up, you're just sleeping, you got up and then you're active. So that's a very small zone, and that is called the manifestation zone. So that is the reason people read out the affirmations or keep your goals in front of you or wherever you're sleeping, because when you have your goal all the time and that particular time, the possibility or the chances of manifesting your goals are higher. So that is the reason the alpha zone is what is, the one which we have to target all the time. But it is not possible for us to be in that alpha zone all the time. It is humanly impossible.
Yeah.
Because we have to work, we have so many things to do, and we definitely get into stress. But how soon we can come back and be in this zone is what is more important. So to have the awareness of the thought process, how our thoughts should be, how positive it should be, how soon to come back from the negative thoughts, and how focused we should be on the goals, and at that particular time what should we think. So if we are aware of all that, you will definitely manifest all your goals in no time.
Great. So that is how frequency therapy works. And so last question, Shailaja ji, how can someone try sound healing, and any tips for beginners?
Yeah, so if somebody doesn't know much about sound healing, maybe they can just watch a YouTube video as to how you feel when there is a sound vibration, and maybe they can get into ChatGPT to understand how it benefits us and why is it that if we have to get into sound healing, because we have other medicines also, right? So why is this alternate therapy needed? So that gives them more awareness, and they also can experience the sound healing with different instruments. Maybe you can see this one such instrument which I play during the meditation. So it will take you somewhere. It is a very soothing music.
What is this some kind?
So when you are in deep meditation, these soothing and relaxing music will help you recollect all the positive memories or the instances where you're happy. When from nowhere you don't understand, deep down you'll get all the positive things in your life, and that will make you so happy. Otherwise you will not be remembering, right? So you're always remembering the negative things, and it's a pattern and you're not able to come out. So this guided meditation, when we use all these instruments and we do that, it will take you to a zone where you will feel more confident, and there are many good things in your life. So we will bring it all, and then you will feel very happy, energetic once you're done with the session.
Okay, so as I asked, a tip for a beginner is to watch this YouTube video, share it with your friends, do like, share and subscribe to Digit Samvad YouTube channel. Shailaja ji is also a member of our channel, and she's always looking at our different videos. Similarly, share this with your friends and listen to the different sounds. And if you want to know more about Shailaja ji's therapies, I'll be putting up her WhatsApp number, her email ID. You can chat with her, contact her, call her, or send an email. She will definitely guide you. If you have any questions, please comment on this blog. And before leaving, just one time, can Shailaja ji, can you listen to this sound? Wow, it was very calming kind of a sound, and I think definitely all our viewers will like this video. And thank you, Shailaja ji, for your time. And I will definitely looking forward for more tips from you. And any final thoughts to our subscribers? A small hack how to keep our mind stress free.
Yeah. So do listen to any soothing music, 432 hertz, or there are different things to YouTube. So try listening to that. Be aware of alternative therapies apart from medicines. What all do we have, and how can we utilize them so that you'll not have any side effects. And I also want to thank Digi Samvad. I'm a big fan of Sachinji's videos because they're very clear, and then we understand the business really well. And thank you so much for such a great work you do, Sachinji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shailaja ji. It's an honor to talk to you and have a video with you. So please like, share, and subscribe Digi Samvad. And we will meet again in our next new episode. Thank you, Shailaja ji.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.